nigga in the street like God. I try to be tripe hard, drop my elite through the nightfall from park. It's Buddha to the spark is consistent. The beat smells the L because it travels long distance. Cruising in its crisis, pursuing niggas in my cypher. Start growling like the scene in Salomon Rikers Alley. Verbal assassin, I murder freestyling. 1, 2 for the gun, 2, 3 drinking Chris Allen. I play the side cause the words of man kill. Proverbs fuck out my grill, real as hell, real keep still. Nobody move, nobody die. I'm a sorry high, busting the trite bitches, touching mic switches. It's like a hot spoon of heroin, a John like Caron. Females love the guns, I be wearing. Plant my seed to live infinite. Indeed, my sentences I'm so demanding. Let's understand that. Rugged like a pinto, chop shop hip hop, burning my intro. Pop reach, release voodoo, deja vu on this taboo. Illmatic shit and what have you. Chef cocaine cook, no brain, got the pop addiction. My composition bleeds words and weed blurs my vision. I'm freezing the time, stops the rhyme. I'm sober in the stolen Range Rover, much crime. I stick up America, knives in your area, disrupt the sound barrier. Clowns give pounds of terror. A full whip for more clips than Clint has in his ever. Dirty Harry, cold black, the uncanny opposing of Beretta. Sticking up trucks, carrying on Beretta. Clipper, two and Tyson, news of ice, I'm a pricing. Niggas like they slaves, best behave, the nice 1-9s. Broken down for Nasir, please protect your pop. Spreads of action, international hoes, obsession. Or you be fucking 1 second.